Satya skills. In this video, let us learn what is insurable interest and insurable value in marine insurance. Insurable interest. A person has an insurable interest if he is interested in the subject matter in consequence of an event. He may benefit by its loss or damage. The insured must be interested in the subject matter insured at the time of loss. It is not essential for the insured to have an insurable interest at the time of effecting insurance. This is so because the ownership and interest in subject matter may change. Thus, insurable interest at the time of loss makes marine insurance policy freely assignable. But there is an exception to this law or this rule. Lost or not lost. This is insurance is sometimes affected when a ship is supposed to be on a voyage. Parties to the insurance contract, the insured and insurer, do not know whether it is still in existence. In such a case, the subject matter is insured, lost or not lost. They completely depend on the principle of good faith. If the insurer insures with the knowledge of loss of the goods, the insurer can avoid the contract. If he observes good faith, he can recover the loss under the policy even though the goods might have been lost prior to the policy. Here good faith means it is not the moral, but it is one of the principles you already learned in previous videos. Insurable interest in marine policy. Owner of the goods has insurable interest to the extent of total value of goods. He can insure the ship to its full price. Buyer of the goods who insured them has insurable interest even if he rejects goods. Insurer has an insurable interest in his risk and may reinsure in respect of it. The receiver of the freight can insure up to the amount of the freight to be received by him. The policy holder has an insurable interest in the charges of any insurance which he may effect. If the subject matter insured is mortgaged, the mortgager has an insurable interest. This comes in the event of borrowing from institutions against this particular policy. Then insurable value and insurable interest. Insurable value is different from insurable interest. Insurable value is an amount valued for the insurable interest of the insurance. In the policy, the insurable value will be given. If it is not given in the policy, the insurable value can be determined in the following way. In the insurance on ship, the insurable value is the value of the commencement, value at the commencement of the risk. Insurable value of the freight is the value, its value is the gross amount of the freight and charges of insurance. Insurable value of goods is the prime cost of property issued. See here in these three cases, this is about determining the value at the time of loss. That's all in this video. All the best.